This piece is known as Frieza First Form. It is from the Dragon Ball Z series. It is not yet sanded or painted, so it is in early stages of assembly, but I wanted to share with you. This was made by taking a miniature that was usually expected to be about 6 inches tall, maybe even 4, and I've brought it up to 4.5 feet. And so this is truly life size for the character, and this was done using Luban 3D to make it big, and also exclusively with 3D Max slash GST 3K, their PLA Plus 10-pack bundle products. This was made out of 50 rolls of PLA Plus, and weighs a little over that and more. I've not weighed the total thing yet, but that'll be coming out at the show. So hope to see you at the Cincinnati Comic Expo, and if not, just follow along Pony Boy Pop Art for more. Thanks.